Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you 5 wonderful breakfast options which you can include in your diet if you are trying to lose weight or even if you are trying to eat healthy. So I'm going to start with a favorite breakfast options for all, a vegetable sandwich. So here I have taken the whole wheat bread, and it is actually a whole wheat bread because it has 69% of whole wheat flour. So guys, please check the label whenever you buying any food stuff from the market. So I'm going to take 2 slices and then I'm gonna add peri sauce over it. It is completely optional, you can totally avoid it if you like, or you can add mint coriander chutney or any other sauce of your choice. So I'm gonna add the sauce on 1 slice of bread, and then I'm gonna add the magic ingredient of this recipe, which is the chickpea paste. I have boiled the chickpeas separately and then I have make a paste out of it by using a mixer grinder. I have mixed the boiled chickpeas in the mixer, and then I have got this paste, and it is very rich in protein, high in protein, and you can definitely have it, and it will give your sandwich a very great and amazing taste. So I'm gonna spread the chickpea paste over a slice, and then I'm gonna add onions and tomatoes over it. You can add any other vegetables of your choice like cucumber, or even you can add some greens over it like spinach or kale, or even lettuce. You can add the lettuce as well. And then I'm gonna sprinkle some favorite seasoning of mine, like I'm gonna add oregano and rock salt, and then the chili flakes. You can again add any seasoning of your choice. You can remove any seasoning out of it, or you can add any other of your choice. And this is going to be a very filling breakfast, and I'm sure you will definitely like it. If you want, you can also replace the chickpea paste with the kidney beans paste. You can soak the rajma or kidney beans overnight, and then again you can boil it and make a paste out of it. You can use that as well. You can see how filling this breakfast is going to be. You can add any fruit of your choice with this breakfast. See, I didn't had lettuce at that day, otherwise I would have definitely added it in here. How filling and wonderful, and it was tasty too. Just give it a try and let me know in the comment section below you like it or not. The next breakfast option which I'm going to tell you is the oats with homemade almond milk. We usually have oats in our breakfast, but it would be even better if we add almond milk, and that too homemade almond milk in it. Oats are rich in protein and fiber, and almond milk is also rich in protein. If you want to know the recipe of almond milk, you can check out my blog. I will give the link of that blog in the description box below, and you can check it out. I'm also going to add some pomegranate seeds to it. You can add any fruit of your choice which is seasonal or which is available at your place. I'm also gonna add some nuts to it. I have not added any sugar, guys, because the almond milk, the pomegranate seeds and nuts are very sweet itself, so that much of sugar is fine for me. So I'm not going to add any other sugar in it. If you want, you can add the sugar according to your taste. This breakfast is also very nutritious and filling, and the nuts will keep me full for a long time, and of course it will give me the healthy fats as well. This is yummy. The next breakfast option is the classic Peasant Tuna. Peasant Tuna is very commonly used as a breakfast option in our Indian homes, so I have to add it in this list. I'm going to have it with a cup of chai and a green chutney and a fruit which is pomegranate seeds, a bowl full of pomegranate. You can again have any seasonal fruit of your choice. The next breakfast option is very nutritious yet very underrated, guys. It is the green gram and black chana sprouts. Sprouts are very healthy for us, and I have added onion, tomato and green chilies to it, and I'm going to have it with few nuts again, because sprouts are not that high in calories, so I need some calories and healthy fats as well. So I'm going to add some nuts and a fruit which is orange here. You can again have any seasonal fruit of your choice. So this breakfast is rich in fiber, protein, fats and tasty as well. And what else you need? The next breakfast option is quinoa, guys. I have cooked the quinoa like I have shown in one of my video. I'll put the link in the description box below for you. And I have again cooked it as a dalia, like we usually cook the vegetable dalia. I have added few vegetables like peas, carrot, onion, tomato, potato, etc. in it, and it is as good as the vegetable porridge, guys. It is so tasty and filling yet light in calories and high in fiber and protein too. I am going to top it off with a fresh lemon juice. I'm squeezing fresh lemon and it will give it an amazing zingy taste. I'm going to have it with a mug of green tea, and this is so filling and tasty as well. So I'm damn sure you will like it as well. So these are few breakfast options which I usually have in my breakfast, and I'm sure you will like it, you will love it. So do give it a try and let me know that you find which one the best, and please comment in the comment section below. And if you want me to do such videos, please let me know in the comments so that I can make some breakfast and lunch options for you all. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family, and like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, be happy and stay healthy.